My brothers and sisters, no be small thing, no be small thing. Dem say Akpabio wife, she dey in a closed door meeting with Pastor Jeryy. My brothers and sisters, when we hear this one, we shout, wetin dey happen? Akpabio wife say make una leave her. Say she dey desperate. Una know na. Na who dey desperate na him go get him husband back. If you know, you know. Na who dey desperate na him go get him husband. Akpabio wife say make nobody tell her otherwise. Everybody know how they carry get their joy. As she dey so, nothing dey for her pikins dem. Nothing dey for her. Una come tell her say make she fold her hand. She say lie to lie, she no go fold her hand. Na so she don run go meet Pastor Jeryy. As she go meet Pastor Jeryy like this, for closed door meeting, na Pastor Jeryy, that one no dey kukuma close mouth. That one na how God tell her, na him go tell you. Yes, na how Pastor Jeryy do own dey be that too. Anything wey God tell am, na how him go carry tell you say, this is what God said. My brothers and sisters, na so Pastor Jeryy open mouth. Tell Akpabio wife to say, I don't tell you before. Go tell your husband say, make him confess. Now the only thing we go help am be that. There is nothing bad if him confess. People they do bad thing, then they confess. If him confess like this, everything go dey okay. You understand? How the man go just dey, you no go understand him bloodline again. You no go understand him blood group. And una feel say everything dey alright. True, they don't see her say everything no dey alright. My brothers and sisters, no be small thing. No be small shoot bird, mama fly. Now, she come dey tell Pastor Jeryy say, I will take you on private jets so that you go and lay hands on him. Pastor Jeryy say, I know they go where God no send me. Now, what think Pastor Jeryy tell them be that? If God no send them, they no go ever see him for that place. Now where God send them, now him they go. God forbid say, he leave waiting God tell him may do, go they follow waiting man want. That one ain't shock them. That one ain't shock them because they did not see that one coming. They did not see it coming at all. Pastor Jeryy tell him say, na God do. Now God do. Say as e dey like this, may everybody they did their day. And may everybody they praise their God. Now the only thing wey him go tell them be that. No matter wetin you they do, they praise your God. No only God fit only carry you go the next level. If God no carry you go next level, nobody fit carry you go next level. But she dey insist. Say everybody wey Pastor Jeryy go carry, she no mind. She go put them for private jets. Now Pastor Jeryy tell her say, maybe everything that by private jet. It's not everything that is about private jet. Some things is just for you to do the right thing, finish. It's just for you to do the right thing. Once you do the right thing, nobody go force you. The reason why you are struggling is because you are not doing the right thing. And you won't come follow shortcuts. There is no shortcut in life. Yes, there is no shortcut in life. In whatever you do, there is no shortcut. My brothers and sisters, no be small matter. No be small matter. Pastor Jeryy say normally nobody supposed to dey fear. Normally, nobody supposed to dey fear. But the reason why some people they fear na because say normal their hands no clean. But you know say Pastor Jeryy no fit come dey tell them other one say, hey, your hands no clean. No now. Pastor Jeryy is a wise man of God. He is a wise pastor. So as Pastor Jeryy dey so, na brain him go use for them and na konuchi. And na waiting him they use for them be that. Him they tell them say, as e dey like this, the only thing they need na to what? Make him confess in sins. but the woman dey insist say she feel say her husband need deliverance. Wetin make you go just feel say your husband need deliverance? Your husband no need any deliverance. Una go commit finish, una go dey say una need deliverance. He does not need any deliverance anywhere. Count it and count it well. Oh, my brothers and sisters, no be small thing. No be small thing as I dey talk to una like this. But right now, as e dey like this, God being God, una know say God no dey judge the way we dey judge. Na make you see say people dey behave the way they behave, because they know say God no dey judge the way human being dey judge. God go just look you through a face, but you see human being, dem go judge you. Dem go judge you like judge of the jungle. My brothers and sisters, no be small thing. So my own be say, why Akpabio wife dey run kitty, dey run kata? Why? Wetin she dey hide? Why she dey run? If their hand clean, why are they running up and down? You understand? You are not supposed to run up and down. Sit somewhere. Sit down somewhere, no do ala. Make your nyash sit down where. But we know now, there's money involved in this thing. Akpabio is the number 3 citizen of this country. And if they say he don't clone, meaning say he might not have password to so many things. Meaning say the wife don't suffer. If you don't understand what I mean. So he might not, this one will say, maybe you never remember password. Or maybe for the woman to come they beg, say, make them pray for her. Who know his spirit, they even torment him. Nobody know, allegedly. Spirit feed the torment him. My brothers and sisters, when I hear this one, I say, hey, this one Igbo man they call Tori Wowo, Tori Baski, Tori Don Labalaski. Hey, my brothers and sisters, don't be sporty though. No be small shoot bed, mama fly, as I dey talk to her like this. Look now, they pray for Akpabio. But just that the wife say nobody is taking her serious. She say all these things where she dey talk, nobody dey take her serious. Then they look her like say she dey play. Then they look her like say she dey play. They are not taking her serious at all. Until how you want me them take you serious again? How them want me them take you serious past this seriousness? If any seriousness past this one, you don't go without all. Hey, my brothers, my sisters. If any seriousness past this one, you don't go. Now how the matter deal? Now say man wrong, can't let you know say they don't carry Pastor Jeryy as a proof for the matter. But no say Pastor Jeryy is a man of wisdom. Na man of wisdom. He don't tell them. If we not do the right thing, we no go dey run kitty, they run kata, they beg up and down. If we not do the right thing, everywhere supposed soft, normal. If we not get, una get. My brothers and sisters, don't be small thing. No be small shoot bed, mama fly. Now so Nigerian day and God go help us last.